This is the ACDelco PF63. And why am I making this video? Well, this is the new filter that's going on my truck, but my truck used to call for PF26. So this is coming off my truck. This is a PF26, but they discontinued the PF26, and now the replacement is the PF63. So I'm going to take this thing out of the box and we're going to compare it to this 26. So this is the PF26. This is the PF63. Quite a bit smaller. I'm surprised they went smaller than, previous filters. I have a 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 High Country. It's got the 6.6 Duramax diesel in it. And again, you would think that if they were going to replace the filter, maybe they put a bigger filter, but it looks like they went with a tinier filter. As you can see, it's significantly smaller, maybe a tiny bit taller, but that's it. So I don't know, maybe the filters are better in this. Maybe you change your oil more often with this. I don't know, but this is what it's calling for now when you look it up on the ACDelco site. Just wanted to show you the difference. Hope this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.